As always guys, please remember to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more videos just like these. Let's get straight into it. Imagine you sit down and pick up your favorite book. You look at the image on the front cover, run your fingers across the smooth book sleeve, and smell that familiar book smell as you flick through the pages. To you, the book is made up of a range of sensory appearances. But you can also expect the book has its own independent existence behind those appearances. So when you put the book down on the coffee table and walk into the kitchen or leave your house to go to work, you expect the book still looks, feels, and smells just as it did when you were holding it. Expecting objects to have their own independent existence, independent of us and any other objects, is actually a deep-seated assumption we make about the world. This assumption is part of what we call the mechanistic worldview. According to this view, the world is like a giant clockwork machine whose parts are governed by set laws of motion. However, Italian physicist Carlo Rovelli argues this worldview is false. Instead, Rovelli argues we should adopt a relational worldview. So, what is a relational worldview? Rovelli claims the objects of quantum theory, such as a photon, electron, or other fundamental particles, are nothing more than the properties they exhibit when interacting with other objects. According to Rovelli's relational interpretation, there is no underlying individual substance that has properties, instead, only interactions and relations. So, this means that the state of a system is observer dependent. The details of an observation depend on the reference frame of the observer. So, how does this help us understand quantum theory? Consider the well-known quantum puzzle of Schrodinger's cat. We put a cat in a box with some lethal agent, like a vial of poison gas, triggered by a quantum process, like the decay of a radioactive atom, and we close the lid with the cat inside the box. The quantum process is a chance event. There is no way to predict it, but we can describe it in a way that tells us the different chances of the atom decaying or not in some period of time. Because the decay will trigger the opening of the vial of poison gas, and hence the death of the cat's life or death is purely a chance event. According to orthodox quantum theory, the cat is neither dead nor alive until we open the box and observe the system. A puzzle remains concerning what it would be like for the cat exactly to be neither dead nor alive. But according to the relational interpretation, the state of any system is always in relation to some other system. So, the quantum process in the box might have an indefinite outcome in relation to us, but a definite outcome for the cat. So, it is perfectly reasonable for the cat to be neither dead nor alive for us, and at the same time to be definitely dead or alive itself. One fact of the matter is real for us, and one fact of the matter is real for the cat. When we open the box, the state of the cat becomes definite for us, but the cat was never in an indefinite state itself. In the relational interpretation, there is no global view of reality. What does this tell us about reality? Rovelli argues that, since our world is ultimately quantum, we should heed these lessons. In particular, objects such as your favorite book may only have their properties in relation to other objects, including you. Thankfully, that includes all other objects such as your coffee table. So, when you do go to work, your favorite book continues to appear as it does when you were holding it. On this view, the world is an intricate web of interrelations, such that objects no longer have their own individual existence independent from other objects.